One of the things we don't realize, which we take for granted a lot in life, is the fact that every day you wake up, that is the youngest you are going to ever be in your life. It is never the number of days in your life, it is the life in your days that matter. You see, the world in which we live in today, it is important to understand that most of the people you meet along the path in your life might be looking for solutions. And some of those solutions only you might have. You listening to me right now, some of those solutions only you can deliver it at the level of excellence, precision, and results driven than anybody else. So my question to you is, what is holding you back? I'm an avid soccer player, and I came from Cameroon with the arrogance of thinking I can play soccer till I die, right? And at the age of 47 right now, it's not the same. My body doesn't respond like it used to when I was much younger. And one of the things which really makes me interested in the understanding of aging, on how things change in our lives, is something that I was watching yesterday. And there was this guy, there's a young man actually, he's out of UT, Texas, and he goes around interviewing billionaires, how they made their money, what are some of the lessons they will have, and what is it that they might would wish they have right now in their lives. And he met this 77-year-old guy in Dallas, and he built his fortune from the oil field. So the 77-year-old man pulls out of his Lamborghini, and the young man goes to him and, chats him up and starts asking him all these nice questions. And at the end, he asks the old man, if there's one thing that you wish you would have right now in your life, what is that? He said, young man, I will give you my bank account and everything I have, if I could be your age again. Now, this is a 77-year-old guy, billionaire, has everything you would aspire to have in your life. But the one thing he no longer has on his side is time and youth. But that struck me, because one of the things we don't realize, which we take for granted a lot in life, is the fact that every day you wake up, that is the youngest you are going to ever be in your life, right? People worry about dying without living, instead of worrying more about living before dying, right? It is never the number of days in your life, it is the life in your days that matter. You see, the world in which we live in today, it is important to understand that most of the people you meet along the path in your life might be looking for solutions, and some of those solutions only you might have. You listening to me right now, don't be afraid, look straight into my eyes. You listening to me, some of those solutions, you might be the only one who has it. Some of those solutions are lying in you. Some of those solutions, only you can deliver it at the level of excellence, precision, and results driven than anybody else. So my question to you is, what is holding you back? Why do you want to wait until you're old and then you start looking back and wishing that you had done something about it? So if you're working a 9-to-5 job, earning a good paycheck, bringing home some good money, but you are still feeling stuck when it comes to building real wealth, I know exactly how that feels. I used to be that way, chasing the paychecks, adding more jobs on jobs, and I thought bringing big money means I would automatically build wealth. But you know what? It took me 2 painful layoffs to finally get the lesson, to understand that, Gustav, you were building the wrong way. Gustav, you need to do something else, because what used to be job security is now job insecurity. That wake-up call was a few years ago. And since then, I decided I was going to build a brand to help cater to professionals, to immigrants, to hardworking, hungry people like you who want to see something different, who want to make sure that they don't end up broke, to have a platform and a template to work with. And now I want to create something with you with you in mind, for you and for your needs. A product designed to help guide you on how to invest and see results from that. That's why I'm inviting you to take part in this poll. It's going to be less than 5 minutes for you. Fill the poll, and when you do that, you are going to be automatically entered into benefit 30% of the early bird access for that program. In addition to that, you are going to have exclusive founders only bonus content, a chance to make this historic product, make it personal, your own pathway along with me. So click on the link below and complete the 5 minutes poll, because you know what? I just don't want to build something. I want to build something with you in mind, with you participating and making sure that it meets your needs. I will see you on the inside. And by God's grace, I will see you at the top. You see, from the day I was able to recognize my purpose in this life, I became obsessed with it. I became obsessed with not wanting to die without delivering on what God assigned for me to deliver, which is number one, help teach people how to invest in themselves for personal growth and also for profits. But most importantly, how to leverage those skills, the profits you've made, to build a life that guarantees a legacy, not only for you, but for people who are going to come after you. Because understand this, when you talk about legacy, you're talking about things that will impact people other than yourself. You see, I come from the continent of Africa, and every time I look at my continent, I am more emboldened to want to do something for it. And I hope that my messages that I share doesn't only touch people from my continent of Africa, but touch people everywhere in the world. Take it and use it the best you can, right? One of the things I realized in this life is that we need to teach, especially those coming after us, more about the importance of legacy. Because when you think about legacy, it reduces your greed to worry only about yourself. When you understand the burden, the impetus, and the responsibility of legacy, it reduces your desire to worry too much about you. Because legacy is one of those concepts that will help fight against the newfound desire by human beings to grab, want everything, right? Because you can only drive one car at a time. You can only sleep in one bed at a time. You can only have so much money because you are one person, and it doesn't make sense because it only makes sense if you use it to impact other people. That's why today you see the world's billionaires, they are rushing to give away their money. Because in the process of fighting to live up to your gift, to build something of meaning, it is valuable to you. But once you get there, you realize, you know what? It's only valuable if it can make a difference to somebody else. So I'm talking to you today about the importance of understanding and just valuing the fact that you are at the age you are in your life right now. I understand it's a cross section of people who watch my videos are between the ages of 18 to about 44. I have a small percentage between 44 and 50 and above that watch my videos too. But whatever point in your life you are at, understand that you are the youngest you're going to be at that point today or the day you're watching this. But also understand that it is not over for you until it is really over. I've seen an upsurge in people in their 50s starting to change careers. People in their 60s moving into newfound lands. People in their 70s moving out of America to build homes in different parts of Africa. These are Americans born and raised in this country. People in their 50s starting new jobs, deciding to bet on themselves, taking a new path with their life, finding a destiny that has always been there, but maybe the distractions and the depletations of life moved them in directions that was against their gift and purpose, and they are finding their way back towards where they belong. I want to encourage you to continue on that path. I want to feed into you that it is not late for you wherever you are at. Listen to this and listen to me very, very keenly. There are very simplistic things that can be done at the time you are at. I know I was talking to a gentleman the other day. He's from India, he's an older guy, and his children live in my neighborhood. So every night I have a commitment to myself to walk at least 4 to 7 miles a day for the next 100 days. I am now on day 11. And I want to prove to myself if I can do that. Because after doing it for those number of days, anything you do for that length of time consistently becomes a habit. And I want that to be a habit because my health is something I want to give maximum priority to going forward. So each time I go out to walk, because it is hot in Texas, and so I wait till about 8 in the night when the sun is down and it's a little cooler, 9 p.m. sometimes, I meet him and his wife walking. We always almost meet about the same point. And he doesn't speak English much, so I wave, he'll wave. A few weeks after, I started giving him a fist pump. A few months later, I started giving him the good old bear hug, right? And then I noticed that he started saying a few words in English. And so he would say, hey. And I met him 2 days ago and I gave him a bear hug and he told me, bye, bye. I said, what's happening? He said, I'm going back to India. I said, when are you coming? He said, 6 months. I said, good, I'll see you when you come back again. But as I was walking, it occurred to me that that old man, I meet him every day walking. What it means is that he has also taken a commitment to not sit around and wait for death to come, but he will be walking, and anything in his destiny will meet him on his path walking. It revamped my spirit. It reinvigorated me that, listen, I could not stop from the 100-day challenge. So if you want to take this as an advantage to start your own 100-day challenge, come down in the comment to this video after you start. Let me know how many days you've been able to walk non-stop for the 100 days. Anytime you stop, you have to start the clock all over, right? But most importantly, if you've been wondering what you can do to unearth your gift, if you've been wondering how to invest your money and your resources in a way that will deliver value for you in the mid to long term, right? If you've been wondering how to invest in yourself for personal growth and to also make profit so that you can build a legacy for you and your family and your destiny and the people who are going to come in the line of your destiny, feel free. There is a link in the intro section in the description section of this video. Click on that calendar link, book a one-on-one appointment with me. There's a small fee for that. Take advantage of that because that fee is going to change in the next 3 months. That is an introductory fee because I recognize many people have been inboxing me and trying to talk to me one-on-one. But of course, I'm just one person and I also have to find a way to filter out who is serious and who is not serious. So those who are really serious about their lives, those who are serious about their destiny, go ahead and click on that link and be able to come through and book an appointment for a one-on-one call. In that call, I'm going to answer any question you might have about your career, maybe about unlocking your gift, and also I will give you some ideas on different ways by which you could bring forth your gift, identify your purpose, and put it to use to make a lot of money and to make a life that was previously unimaginable for you. Let me know in the comment what you think about this video and also share your experiences. Leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that so far, and I will see you in the next video. But until that next time, be well, be blessed, and never stop being a blessing to somebody. Bye for now.